Welcome to this troubleshooting video, Change Key. The following information will help you identify the type of lock you have on your cabinet housing, which will make ordering keys and locks much easier. First of all, it is necessary to identify the generation of cabinets in the heavy-duty series that Rousseau has produced over the years. The OT200 housings and drawers were manufactured up until September 1994. For this product, the DOM lock is compatible. The OT700 cabinet housings and drawers were manufactured between September 1994 and January 2005. For this product, the DOM lock is compatible. The R-Line housings and drawers were launched in February 2005. There are three types of locks that are compatible with the R-Line: the Rousseau, the Wesco, and the DOM. The following instructions will allow you to replace the central cylinder of the Rousseau L3 lock. It is necessary to have on hand an HA99L3 and a change key. Using the original keys supplied with the cabinet, insert the key into the lock and turn the key so that the cabinet is in the unlocked position. Remove the key from the lock, still in the unlocked position. Insert the change key in the lock and remove the cylinder. Insert the change key, the HA99L3, in the new barrel. Insert the cylinder and the key inside the lock and push it all the way in. Finally, while holding the cylinder in place, remove the key and you're done. The new lock is now installed.